What is up, SFG? I'm back with another video, you guys. Check out those progressive. That major is absolutely high, you guys. So I actually got free play in here, you guys, and we're gonna see what we can get. Hopefully we get something. Come on. Give me a rain shower. Okay. Oh, come on, Premiere. Thank you. Okay. Come on, buddy. Okay, SFG, I added some more money. Got some more free play, you guys. And let's see what we can get on this piggy. Y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, like this video. Don't forget to enter my cash giveaway, you guys. Make sure you look in the description or you will not miss it. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. I need some of that potion, y'all. You gotta give me some. Okay, there we go. Oh, that is absolutely great, you guys. Okay. I thought I was about to get that free spin, but hey, it's still good. I'll take it. Free play. That's what we want to do with the free play, you guys. Come on, now give me the bonus. Now give me the bonus, buddy. We need a bonus, SFG. I want that major right there. I know a lot of y'all like Rakin bacon. Actually, is one of my favorites too. So I decided to give y'all a little bit more. And besides, normally I just play the slots I like, unless you know y'all tell me y'all want to see a certain game when I post it on my community tab. So yeah. Come on, buddy. Okay, well, ain't too bad. We need a good line hit. Okay. Okay. I added some more money in, you guys. Still got some free play. And we're gonna see what we can get. Let's go. And I seen what a lot of people they say, well, especially before the giveaway, it was like, I don't know what she's giving away because she ain't betting nothing. You guys, let me tell you something right now. You can get any of those progressives on the minimum bet. You know, I understand a lot of people want bigger line hits. I mean, the more you bet, the more you're gonna win. But any bet will grant you a progressive. It don't have to be 880 bet. You know, now that's a good win. It really don't. 50 Cent done gave me plenty of jackpots. Major jackpots. I haven't won $1,000 yet, but you know, one day maybe I will win $1,000. Who knows? Just gotta keep at it. Come on, potion. And actually, you guys, on Rakin Bacon, a lot of y'all already know 88 cents can pay huge. Especially if I get that magic potion or some free games. Pay huge. That's what we want. That magic potion. Y'all don't forget to check the description for the cash giveaway. If you need a gamma box, that's in the description also. Come on, buddy. You gotta get some, Piggy. Come on. We need a bonus. Before I get up, I need a bonus, you guys. Oh, one of those progressives up there. I'm not saying that I'm gonna chase it, but you know, you never know. That pig ain't trying to pop at all. They haven't even grouped. There you go. Now that's what I'm talking about, you guys. See? 88 cent bet, y'all. 88 cent bet. That's all you need. Check that out. Come on, buddy. And it's still free play, you guys. See? Still free play. Come on. We need a bonus. It ain't the top seller, but we'll take it. All the way. Oh, give me that bonus. I need them pots. I need 3 pots. Oh, come on. I'll pop the pig. One of them. Come on. There we go. Oh, we almost had it. The other one. Since we on 88 cents, you guys, I'm gonna do 15. 15 to win it. Let me get some potions. Come on, rain shower. Let's get it. Nice little hit. Come on. All the way. Come on, where that potion at? Okay, okay. Not huge, but we'll take it. It'll work. All the way. Oh, man. Them piggies looking nice. Them piggies looking nice. Give me a shower. Give me a shower. Come on. Give me a shower. Give me a shower. Oh, okay. Got 5 more games to go. I need a shower. Come on, piggy. Re-trigger something. Come on, piggy. Oh, man. Give me a rank. There we go. Woo. Okay. Better than nothing. replay came up. Came up, you guys. Let's continue. Oh man, all of that, he still handles pop. Come on. Yeah, another great line here. That ain't too bad. Oh, wow. We needed one more SOG. What? Come on. All right, all right.